Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to participate in pooltogether. The pooltogether protocol offers a no-loss lottery where you deposit funds and have a chance to win a large prize. So the deposits are lent out to either yearn or compound in order to earn interest, and that interest funds the prize pools. You don't lose any money if you don't win the prize, but you do miss out on the potential interest earnings from your deposited funds. So I'm on the main pooltogether site, so I'm going to click this to go to their app, and you want to connect your wallet. So Metamask is a common one here. I'm going to connect. And then pooltogether offers pools on a variety of networks, so you want to narrow down which network you're interested in depositing funds on. So I'm going to use Polygon. And so that narrows it down to 3 options. So here's a MultiChain one where you can deposit USDC. Here's a Polygon one with USDT. And a Polygon one again with USDC. And so you can see that there are kind of different prizes depending on which one you go for. So I'm going to check out this multi-chain pool with USDC. Now, we see that the weekly prize for this pool is around $104,000. And you can check on the View Daily Prize to get an idea of what prizes are being offered for each of these pools. So, top prize, and then there are some smaller prizes of $110 for more participants. So, I'm going to be depositing USDC. I'm on the Polygon network. So, I'm just going to select how much I want to be depositing. Hit Connect Wallet, go to MetaMask. So now I'm going to get a MetaMask pop-up. Make sure I'm connected to the right account. So from here, I'm going to just confirm that I have the right amount, the right currency, review deposit. And so you have to confirm USDC for pooltogether. So this is just something you have to do once. Confirm that, confirm it in MetaMask. And wait a moment for that to go through. Alright, now that approval transaction has gone through, so I'm going to deposit USDC, and then it's going to be transferred to pooltogether USDC, so it's showing that I have a stake within this pool. And it shows my current odds based on the amount deposited. So your chance of winning is proportional to both the time and the amount you deposited relative to other participants in the pool. So if I deposit $10 2 days before the pool closes and the prize happens, and then somebody else also deposits $10 1 day before the prize, then I have approximately double the chance of winning the prize as that other person. So it'll show me my current odds based on the deposit amount, how much of the receipt token I'm getting, and then the estimated network fees. Then hit Confirm Deposit. Confirm that in MetaMask. I'm just waiting for that transaction to go through. You can now see that the deposit is successful, and we're eligible for all future prizes. So you can just leave it in here and accrue prizes, but make sure to check periodically as you need to claim them within 60 days. So that's all for now. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.